Everyone, Blake Sloan here. Got a brand new market update with some brand new numbers in from last month, and they're very interesting, kind of all over the place. Some parts up, some parts down, but overall great news for home sellers out there. Last month, single family resale homes up 14.2% from the same month last year, which is super awesome. A huge increase from February last year, which is great news overall as we're seeing more people come in town and buy stuff. The one interesting thing about single family resale prices last month, actually down 4.8%, right at $200,000. And so that's something we've seen bounce up and bounce down a little bit. It has to do with what type of areas are selling. Inventory has been a little short, right? So we're seeing it kind of move inland, back more close to the beach. And so we'll see that trend. That's all really due to your neighborhood numbers. So always want to dig into the micro numbers. The overall long-term trend is well up, almost double digit, which is great. Supply is the one challenge, kind of been the big thing for resale homes. The supply from last year is down 17.2%. It's at 5.3 months inventory right now, which is up slightly from last month. As we've talked about in the past, as you see the spring market come, more people tend to put their property on the market, which is obviously a little more competition. It's still an amazing opportunity for sellers because we're still below the 6-month threshold of basically 6 months inventory in the entire marketplace. And so it's still pretty much 0.1% up above the lowest we've seen it. And so a great opportunity for home sales right now, as you're seeing demand's up 14%, right? Inventory is down 17.2%, so you can see what's going to have the part of pressure, which is prices. So if you've been thinking about selling, have not reached out to us, definitely give me a call, 843-808-SOLD. Also, click the link here in the email or beside the video that can get you an up-to-date instant online evaluation. You can always call us for a human evaluation that's much more accurate, free, no hassle, no obligation at all. New construction sales last month up 9.5%, which is awesome. We've seen it actually been down a little bit because of inventory struggles. They're finally catching up inventory, which you see 9.5% increase in sales. Prices up 7.4% last month for the same month last year at $237,437, which is awesome news there as well. Supply down 1.8% from the same month last year, right at 5.4 months. And so super healthy in regards to single family homes, both in resale and new construction. The one alarming number there was pricing drop down, but that's just a short-term kind of bump we've seen go up and down based on what's selling. Most neighborhoods you'll watch, the trend is obviously up very well last 12 months. Single condos up 16.2% last month versus the same month last year, which is awesome. Prices up 4% last month, which is awesome there. Supply in condos down 28.2%, right at 5.1 months of inventory. And so overall, you can see the challenge in the marketplace right now. Massive decreases in regards to inventory. Sales up pretty much double digits almost across the board. And so we need your property. If you're thinking about selling, have someone you know that's thinking about selling, forward this video to them so they can see, at least get an instant valuation. Your property may be worth a lot more than you think, but here's the thing. Interest rates have gone up, right? We've seen some of the highest numbers we've seen in a very long time, almost in 4 years. And so you want to take advantage of that now into this hot spring to summer market before rates get too close up to 5%. That will hinder some of the buyers coming in town. But right now we're seeing people jump off the fence who've been sitting back waiting. Now the rates going up are making them jump. If you're a buyer, you want to think about that too, because that will hurt your buying power and obviously cost you a lot more in the long term. But either way, we're to serve you. Anything you need real estate related, question, whatever it is, reply back to the email. Give us a call, 843-808-SOLD, and I look forward to helping you anyway.